been lied to when it comes to trading, and you don't even know it. Because if you've been in trading or crypto for more than 5 minutes, you probably heard things like, oh, this is the best indicator, it's gonna give you an edge. Or this candlestick means price is gonna go here. Or, oh, hey, there's a head and shoulders, we're gonna go down. Or use these 5 indicators to get a real good edge on the market. Like, come on, bro, give me a break. If any of this actually worked, everybody and their mother would be rich if they even touched the chart. I mean, you watch me right now, if there was an indicator out there or a candlestick pattern that really gave you an edge, you would be rich. You wouldn't be watching this video right now. So why is that? Why isn't everybody that's using an indicator or a candlestick pattern or something like that rich, driving a Lamborghini, doing whatever they want? Because that's not how the markets work, and you've been lied to. Here's what nobody wants to tell you. There's no magic candlestick pattern. There's definitely no magic indicator that's going to give you an edge. The truth is, the market doesn't owe you a damn thing, especially because you believe in candlestick patterns or some fairy tale indicator. Because at the end of the day, the market is just buying and selling. It's literally that. That is so simple. And the biggest people, the whales, I've been trying to tell you guys forever, they have more influence than anything else in this game. The reality, I just want you to think about it. You could draw a trend line. You can memorize every candle. I mean, there's literally books out there dedicated to candlesticks and stuff like that. You can know every single indicator ever created. But if massive whales decide to unload billions of dollars on your head top, I'm talking about straight into resistance, that bullish engulfing candle doesn't mean a fucking thing. So when I'm telling you, on my road to becoming profitable in the very beginning of my journey, I didn't sit there fucking training for hours on candlesticks or indicators or any of that dumb shit. All the little fancy smancy terms that they use when it comes to trading. I didn't do any of that stuff. You know what I did? I asked, where are we? What are we doing right now? What are the whales doing? Are we approaching a level that's clearly been rejected multiple times? What's the overall trend? Is this move actually going to happen? And most importantly, what does it look like the whales are doing in this moment? Because at the end of the day, I'd rather trade with the whales than pretend that I'm smarter than them. It's that simple. We cannot win against these people. They are funds. They are literal movements. They can wipe out any one of us at any second. So why compete against them? You might as well join them. I wanted to make this video because people overcomplicate trading. I mean, it's so crazy. I mean, the reality is a guy showing you 14 different indicators probably looks smarter than someone like me sitting here telling you, hey, follow what the whales are doing. That's all you need to do. Complexity sells in this industry, right? Just all these little legal, little scientific ass terms these people have. It's all mumbo jumbo. My entire trading journey is built around probability. What's the most probable outcome in this scenario? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? What's the whales doing? I mean, that's it. Trading is not about predicting the next move. It's about probability. And that's exactly why I created Market Mirror, which is my app. You guys have heard about it. But seeing all the probabilities on your phone and having it in your hand, seeing what the whales are doing, what they're buying, what they're selling, where the liquidity's sitting, it is way better than sitting there trying to, I don't know, download fucking 100 indicators on TradingView. It's not going to get you anywhere. And that's the sad truth about trading, because I really feel like 99% of people have been led astray. They've been studying, they've been sitting here, and they've been trying to learn all the wrong things when it really comes down to just a couple things. I mean, think about it. Market structure, paying attention to support resistance, where the liquidity sitting, even coming down to stupid simple things like watching how price acts at certain levels. And at the end of the day, literally paying attention to where the big money is flowing. If they are buying, buy with them. If they're selling, sell with them. If the news is saying, hey, things are looking really bearish, but you're seeing the whales buy, go with them, dude. It's that simple. At the end of the day, all I'm trying to say is that's what separates good traders from people that are just gambling. There's not a magical little one that's going to get you to being profitable. There's no indicator that's really going to give you a crazy edge. You got to use a little bit of common sense, follow what the whales are doing, and seeing where the money is heading. That is literally it. If you've been on the Instagram for the past, I don't know, 5 years, that's all I've been doing. All of these wins you're seeing on your screen right now are wins because I have been following what the whales are doing. And with my app Market Mirror that launched last month, I mean, it's just actually been crazy seeing you guys implement my real strategies into your trading strategy. And I overall think it's better for the trading space. So yeah, start making probability-based decisions, stop following all this dumb shit, and I can guarantee you're gonna see more results following what the whales are doing rather than some indicator. It's just facts. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.